Hello to all my car guru shoppers out there. This is Car Guru Corey Way, right here at Bellamy Strickland Chevrolet Buick GMC, right here in McDonough, Georgia. And today we're going to take a quick look at a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado crew cab, two-wheel drive in the quicksilver metallic exterior with the jet black cloth interior. Now this one here has just under 37,000 miles. Okay, 5.3 V8 1LT. So it's going to be out of the bumper to bumper warranty, but you do get the balance from the powertrain from 60,000 miles. All right, pretty clean truck here. It's a one owner, clean Carfax. So let's dive right on in. Let's take a look at her. She may just put an end to your shopping. All right, so as we approach the front grille of the vehicle, of course you have the chrome bumper there with the LED fog lamps. You have the high intensity beam lights here. This truck has been fully serviced in our service department. Like I said, she's clean, one owner, she's ready to go. .3 V8 with the active fuel management. Driver's side is in excellent condition. I don't see any scratches, dents, nothing of that nature. Excellent tread on your wheels, alloy wheels. Your rims there are not scuffed. Real clean cloth interior here. No rips, no tears, definitely no smoke smell. This is your infotainment system with the voice activated navigation. Backup camera is standard. That's your Android Auto, Apple Play. Text messaging capabilities. It will read the text messages back to you. Weather alerts, nav traffic, and you can actually shop out of this vehicle. CD, dual air. Got a converter down here, cigarette lighter, rear park assist. This lights up your bed, traction control, adjustable pedals. A couple more USB ports in the middle compartment here. You can get another body there, and this is lockable. 36,944 miles, remote start, Bluetooth, and cruise control to the left. No sunroof. Also, you do have the rear sliding window here. Real clean interior, clean floorboard here, clean headliner. All right, this is it's going to be a short box. So this is going to be a short box. It's not a standard box. Crew cab short box. There's your tow package down here. Bed liner. Passenger side is clean as well. Yeah, look like some cobwebs. All right, let's do a passenger side view here. All right. And lastly, front passenger. Double storage compartment here, another USB port there. And actually, this is the Carfax right here. One owner, clean Carfax. There she go. So if you're in the market, for a truck, a real clean truck, two-wheel drive, 1LT, you found you one right here. Quicksilver metallic jet black cloth right here at Bellamy Strickland, 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. If you feel like this one is a good fit for you, just reach back out to Car Guru Corey. We'll get the numbers right, and I'll be glad to make this process as easy as I can for you. All right. Thanks for watching.